Hi guys, how are you? My name is Maria Alejandra and I am going to talk about a hobby that I have that I really enjoy doing this. However, I am not good at all on this, and that activity it is painting. Painting can be one of the most exciting things that I have done, and I really enjoy doing that, and I put my heart and soul in this activity. I really like it. I usually immerse myself on this, and as I said before, I am not good at all on this. I am not an artist, I am not perfect on painting. However, I really enjoy that and I am up for this. In addition, painting is a hobby with which I can relax and I can switch off from overthinking thoughts that I can have, or just get a fresh perspective about a problem or about a university project that I can have. So this is so relaxing, and therefore I consider that activity, that hobby, as a relaxing activity that I am really inclined to and I really love to. And a little context about it, I remember that familiar album that we have, and I remember some photos that I had a special space to paint, and also I really like to paint and I still like it. And also during my teenage years when I was at school, there was a subject that we must paint or do something special, something artist, and I really liked those projects and stuff like that. It was really amazing and relaxing for me. I stopped doing that when I started my university. However, during the pandemic, I tried to recover that hobby, but not at all. Just like a mandala that I paint, and that mandala was already done, so it doesn't have sense. And nowadays, I recovered that hobby that I really enjoy. In addition, I have tools with which I can paint. I can do this activity such as paintbrush. Also, there are acrylic colors that I have, and a base where I can mix the colors that it is that this one that it is with paints, due to the fact that I have already painted a special canvas that I want to show you. Also, there is like a special blog that I have with special papers where I can paint my things. There are like a special blog, like a canvas for acrylic colors. So those are my paints, my tools that I have to paint.